A good day, sir. Today we are presenting our phase 3 of our CMPG 311 database project. We will demonstrate our Oracle SQL developer implementation. So first thing is our database setup and table creation. So we're going to drop all existing tables first. So as you can see, all our tables were dropped. All our tables were dropped, as you can see. So after dropping all our tables, we're going to create all our new tables. As you can see, our new tables were created. So after creating our new tables, right? So we're gonna go to indexes. But before we go to indexes, each table, what we can see above, what you can see above in our tables, is that each table includes appropriate data types. Primary keys, foreign keys, and check constraints. The design follows the third normal form to reduce redundancy. So next we're gonna go to our indexes. Where we're gonna create our indexes. So this is our indexes which were created, right? So indexes were created to improve performances on frequently used columns. So after indexes, we're gonna go to data loading. So first, in our data loading, we're gonna insert into categories. We're gonna insert to so first we go to our category. Sorry for that, for categories. We go to our category table. We're gonna insert into the table. As you can see, we inserted 3 items in our table. After that, we're gonna select all from category. We're gonna select all from category, which you can see we have selected all from our category, right? So then after that, we're gonna insert into student, where you can see that the table was created, right? So we're gonna select from our student table using select all from our student, right? As you can see, our desired output for the select student, right? So next we're gonna insert into product, right? Which we have inserted into our product, and then we're gonna select from our product table. You can see that we have selected in our product table. Then we're gonna insert into service table, and then after inserting, we're gonna select from all our service table, which you can see that this is our service table. And then next we're gonna insert into our booking table. After that, we have inserted, you can see our output, and then we're gonna select from all booking table. As you can see, this is our booking table. Then after that, we're gonna insert into orders, which you can see, this is our insert into orders, and then we're gonna select from all orders, right? You can see. Then we're gonna insert into our order line, which is our bridge table. This is how we inserted, and then we're gonna select from all our order line, and then you can see. Then we're gonna insert into our review table, which you can see that we inserted. And then we're gonna select from all our reviews, right? You can see our review table, and then we're gonna insert into payment, which you can see that we have inserted into payment, into payment. Then we're gonna select from all payment, and you can see. So as you can see, this is our insert simple. We insert simple data into all tables in the correct relational form, right? So although the project specification lists views before data loading, we first load data in practice so that the views return meaningful results during testing. Views depend on table data, so without loading data first, the views will be empty. So next we're gonna drop all views. We're gonna drop all views, right? So so as you can see, we have dropped all our 6 views. So we're gonna create new existing views. So as you can see, we have created a new we created new existing views, right? So in these views, we're gonna select all these views, right? As you can see, this is our product catalog view. This is our first view, our product catalog view. This is our service catalog view. This is our admin transaction summary view. This is our order details report view. This is our payment summary view, and this is our last one, which is review rating summary. So after that, these views simplify complex queries and provide meaningful business reports, right? After creating the views, we test each, which we have done that. So currently we go to required SQL queries. Now we have to demonstrate them. So first thing, we're gonna retrieve selected columns and output rows. As you can see that we retrieved selected columns and implemented output rows. And then we're gonna display products ordered by price in descending order. As you can see, our desired output. And after that, we're gonna search product using patterns and conditions. As you can see, we did that in our desired output. Then we're gonna use upper cases to format student names. And then you can see that we used upper cases. And then we're gonna use the round function to calculate and round average service rates. As you can see from that. Then we're gonna use the date function to retrieve bookings for the current date. And then we're going to use the aggregate function to count verified students and some wallet balances, as you can see. So we're going to group by NAV. We group products by seller and filter results. And then we're going to combine multiple tables to show full order details. And then we're gonna find students above average wallet balances. And then we're gonna find students above average wallet balances. Then we go to as you can see, our output. As we don't have time, we're gonna implement trigger update source status. When product quantity reaches 0, status automatically changes to sold. And then as you can see, then we're gonna test the functionality of extra functionality. As you can see, everything is fine. So in our conclusion, right, our system meets all phase 3 requirements. We demonstrated table creation, constraints, indexes, and data loading, views, SQL queries, and trigger functionality. Thank you for letting us.